A lot has changed for me in the last couple years, and I want to give you guys just a little bit of an update. So if you see behind me, let's hop out of the car here real quick. This used to be my shop, right? Like I used to operate here. As you can tell, it's just kind of a little tiny shop. Someone else is now renting it.
Goodbye, I'll miss you.
And it wasn't but a year ago that we moved into this shop right here. But as you can tell here, we have just absolutely ran out of space. We are up to 25 employees now. Say hello, guys.
Hey.
Hi. This place is absolutely packed to the brim. So we are moving again, hopefully for the last time. Come on, let's go check out the new place.
Now, the worst part about all of this is that I now have a commute. I have to drive 10 minutes, 12 minutes every day, which, I mean, kind of stinks, but it is what it is. On the road again. Just pulled up, check it out. This is the building in all of its glory. If you can't tell here, this actually used to be a Family Dollar. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of this whole place. Let's get started. Yes, we now have a forklift. I'm gonna be a menace on this thing. All right, we're gonna start by taking you into the showroom. Now, it might not look like much yet. It's not finished. We're still working on it. This whole building just used to be one giant shell, right? There was no walls, so we're building all of these walls. You may notice there's some construction going on over there. We're gonna take you in there in just a second. But yeah, we're building all these walls. We're adding all the electrical requirements, and this place is gonna be significantly bigger and better than our last shop. Now, coming over here to show you the construction that was going on, I actually did some back-breaking labor. Let's go in here, let's take a look at what we've done.
Real quick, I'm just gonna do a pan of the showroom here. This thing's gonna be amazing. Let's take a look at the bathrooms. Welcome to bathroom number 1. Yes, construction is still going on around here. Now, take a look. This did not exist. I had to dig up all of this concrete. I used a concrete saw to dig up all of these floors, add these drains, so that we could add some more toilets. You know, we got 25 employees now. We need more toilets. Stepping through the wall here, think thin. This was already a bathroom, right? So over here, that bathroom didn't exist. This only had one hole, one toilet right there. So you can tell what we dug up here. We added another drain there. And then if we get skinny one more time here, you'll be able to see we still do have one working bathroom currently, you know, our makeshift stall here, and this is going to be the ADA compliant bathroom because everybody needs one of those. All right, moving from the showroom into the new technicians area, this is where we're going to work on machines. So it looks like just one big bare wall right here, rawr, bare wall. But this is where we're going to install all of the shelves, run electricity, and we're going to fix a lot of machines right here. Speaking of machines, as you can tell, they're already piling up. So we still have maybe a couple hundred over at our other shop, but we're kind of whittling that down, and we're gonna be moving into this new location here in about a month. Exciting. All right, let's go ahead and check out where we're gonna put our powder coating department. Hey, can't you read the sign, employees only? Yo, chill bro, they're with me, come on. All right, this is the new powder coating operation. And well, it might not look like much yet, but we're gonna get the whole operation in here. We're gonna be able to make a bunch of really beautiful machines that are just fully rebuilt, custom done to just be one of a kind. Very, very exciting. All right, last but not least, let's check out the shipping department. This place is significantly bigger. You saw ours at the beginning of the video, and it really, I mean, there is a ton more space in here. We're gonna be able to do a lot more. We're gonna be able to fulfill a lot more packages. We're gonna be able to store more stuff, which is great. Everybody loves a good hoarder. Now, one of the really, really cool things is we're gonna have some more offices now dedicated to, you know, customer service. We're gonna have a break room. It's gonna be really nice, but currently this door doesn't go all the way up. So how low can you, can't go that low. All right, so this still needs to be framed in, but as you can tell right here, this is gonna be a customer service center. We're gonna be able to answer all of your technical questions about mixers. And as we keep moving right along here, ooh yeah, this is going to be the break room right here, guys. So we're actually going to have a place where, you know, we have a table and an actual dedicated counter. It's gonna be very, very, very nice to be able to make my employees' lives a little bit more comfortable, you know, give them a place to actually sit and have lunch. I'm very excited about that. And then lastly, as we sneak through one more thin wall here, we get into my office. This is gonna be the film studio. It's gonna be set up the same way that I have the other one set up. Same way the other one is set up. It's gonna be nice. Gonna have a nice backdrop. I'm gonna have a little bit less space, but you know, that's okay. I can do without in order to give everybody else a more comfortable space. And I'm just excited to do so. You got my dad up on the scaffold, hanging some OSB. Everybody say, hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. Hi, Dad. I said dad, not daddy, you sickos.
All right, well, that's it. That's the shop. We are working to get that thing completed. I'm really hoping to be in there in like, maybe the next 30 days. It's extremely exciting. It's a big, big upgrade for us, and it is going to be absolutely amazing. It's gonna make everything a little bit more comfortable for me and for my team, and well, just for people. We have people who show up from all over the US all the time to drop off their mixer, so it'll give them a little bit more something to you know, gander at. We always give tours and things like that, so it's gonna be very, very exciting to do that. Cannot wait. I look forward to showing you guys the finished product. This was just an update. As always, if you need anything for your KitchenAid mixer, you know who to call.